Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something super exciting to show you. An AI-powered VTuber generator that allows you to create both 2D and 3D models instantly. And the best part? It's completely free. So, if you've ever dreamed of becoming a VTuber but didn't know where to start, this might be the perfect solution for you. So, let's dive right into it. The first thing you'll want to do is head to the website. I'll link it in the description below. Once you're there, you'll notice that it's super user-friendly. All you have to do is sign up for a free account, and you'll be ready to create your very own VTuber model in just a few simple steps. For example, here's a quick demo of the 2D model creation. You can customize everything from your character's facial features, hair, outfit, and even the expressions they make. And trust me, the AI makes it incredibly intuitive. Just a few clicks, and you've got yourself a brand new character. And if you're into 3D VTubing, they've got you covered as well. You can tweak your 3D model with a lot of advanced settings, like adjusting your character's pose and adding movement. It's really fun to experiment with all the options. Once you're happy with your creation, you can export the model and start using it in your streaming setup. And don't worry if you're new to VTubing. The platform also offers tips on how to integrate your new model into streaming software like OBS and others. So, if you're looking to become a VTuber, or even just want to create fun avatars for your content, give this tool a try. The best part is, it's free and it's quick. Just a few clicks, and you'll have your own custom VTuber ready to go. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. And if you want more tutorials and tips like this, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let me know in the comments what kind of VTuber models you create. I'd love to see them. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.